Welcome to our annual Client Appreciation event. I'm Jeff Nethercott, Senior Sales Partner with the Regan team, and we're here at Custerman's on this beautiful day saying thank you to all the amazing families we've been able to help over the years. You'll see many of them out here feeding the animals, enjoying the different activities, and you might even catch myself on a tractor or going down a slide.
Here at the Regan team, we love holding events like this to show our clients how much we appreciate them.